Hello, this is Rosie and I am here to tell you about the digital documentation features of advanced level. Now firstly, we will learn about what is Microsoft Word 2007 and how we can open it. Microsoft Word 2007, that is a part of the Microsoft Office suite or Microsoft Office package. It is also known as MS Word. To start MS Word 2007 program, firstly click on Start button, then select the All Programs option. After that Microsoft Office, and then in the last Microsoft Office Word 2007. Or you can use another way by double clicking on the MS Word 2007 shortcut icon on the desktop. You can also open the MS Word by this step. After doing one of them option, you will get a window in front of you where you will get the option blank document, and then select that, and after that click on create, and after that you will get a MS Word 2007 window like this. Now here are the common components of MS Word 2007 window which are given here. First one, like your title, it is used to show the content. It is used to show the document name and software name on the top of the document. Second is your tabs. These are the different command groups in which different related command are given there. Quick access toolbar, that is also known as QAT, and it is a bar where quickly accessed commands are given. After that, Microsoft Office button, it is a colorful circle on the top left corner of the window, and it is your you can call it backstage view button also. It give you options like opening a new file, saved a file, print or exit from the Word. Next is your ribbon. It is a command place where different command of different tabs given here. Next is your text area, or whether or you can call it document area also. It is a area where you can type all of your text. Next is your cursor. That is a vertical blinking line displayed on text area which shows that your at which position your text will start typing on your screen. After that, at the bottom, status bar is given there. It will show how many pages your document is having and on which page, currently which page is opened in front of you. And rest of these are scroll bars and rulers. These both are having two types: ruler, vertical ruler and horizontal ruler, and same scroll bars, that is also vertical and horizontal. Now, how to create a new blank document in Word? Firstly, click on the Microsoft Office button. After that, select the option New, which is given at the first position. After selecting New option, you will get a window again like this, in which you have to select the blank document option, and after that on the right hand side at the bottom part, Create button is given there. Click on that and MS Word new document window will be opened in front of you. You can use the shortcut for this also, and that is Ctrl+N. By pressing Ctrl+N from the keyboard, you can automatically create a new blank document. Now next is your how to save the document. For saving the document, again click on Microsoft Office button, and on the fourth number you will find out Save As option. Click on that, and after clicking on Save As button, you will get a Save As dialog box on your Word window. There, firstly you have to select the location on which you want to save your file. After that, in file name, type the desirable file name by which you want to save your file, and after that extension of the file, that is your .docx. And after doing all these entries, click on Save button, and your document will be saved by your given name. You can use the shortcut again for this, Ctrl+S, and when you will press the Ctrl+S, this Save As dialog box will appear in front of you. Now the next topic is styles in MS Word. What are styles and how we can use them in MS Word? Styles, that is a set of formatting characteristics such as font type, size, color, paragraph alignment, spacing, etc. that you can apply in a single step to any text of a document or to the entire document. It means it is a collection of different formatting options by which you can set it on a piece of document or whether on the whole document by a single click. That is the style panel which is given in MS Word window, and we can access the style panel by using Home tab. Home tab always contains the style panel, and it will look like this. Now categories of styles. There are different categories of styles, like your character styles, which contain the style for character for style formatting only for characters. Second is your paragraph style, which contain your formatting for your paragraph, like line spacing, indentation, margin, all these things, and tabs, all these. And third one is your linked style, a different type of style which which is having the characteristic of character style and paragraph style, as well as table style, that is for the formatting of different tables, and list style, that is used for the formatting of list. Now how to apply a style? Firstly, select the text on which you want to apply a style. After that, home tab, and then click on the style dialog box launcher icon. When you will click on style dialog box launcher icon, a style pane will open in front of you with so many types of styles. In that, you have to select any one type of style and apply that. Now creating a new style. If you want to create a new style, what will you do? Firstly, in the home tab, click on the dialog box launcher button. There you will get an option save selection as new quick style, or when you click on change style button, there you will get an icon of creating a new style button. When you will click on that, you will get a window like this, create new style from formatting dialog box. In that, you have to type the name of the style, what name you want to give your style, what in which category you will define your style, and after that different formatting features like your font style, font size, bold, italic, underline, colors, different kind of alignments, and all these. You can check the preview of your applied designs here, and after that click on OK, and it will be saved with your defined name in style gallery. Now removing a style from quick style gallery. If you want to remove your own created style from the gallery, then what will you do? Right click on that style which you want to remove, then you will get a pop-up menu, and you will get an option there, remove from quick style gallery, and after selecting this, the your customized style will be removed from your style gallery. Thank you.